Hey y'all, I'm back with another legendary inventor in American's Hall of Founders, Kelly Simmons, founder of Aunt Kelly's Cookies, Baltimore cookie maker. Kelly grew up in Baltimore, Maryland, with sweet memories of school days and family life that included butter crunch cookies from the cafeteria, her favorite treat as a child. As a young girl in elementary school, Kelly remembered saving her change to buy butter crunch cookies at lunchtime. That taste stuck with her for decades. In 1999, Kelly began baking cookies herself, experimenting with recipes until she rediscovered that memorable butter crunch taste. Much of her baking was inspired by helping her grandmother in the kitchen. Kelly worked for many years in cosmetology and as an educator, teaching at a cosmetology school. She baked cookies for students who encouraged her to consider selling them. Although she never planned to be a baker, Kelly realized her cookies were beloved and people encouraged her to share them more widely. In 2018, Kelly opened Aunt Kelly's Cookies in the Mount Vernon neighborhood of Baltimore, serving cookies baked fresh daily. Her most famous product is the butter crunch cookie, but she also offers chocolate chip, butter pecan, oatmeal raisin, all baked from scratch each day. Kelly insists on fresh, homemade quality, mixing every batch with love, and using simple, high-quality ingredients so the cookies taste like grandma's kitchen. Her cookies bring joy and nostalgia to customers in Baltimore and beyond. People return again and again for the taste of childhood. Since opening, Kelly's Bakery has expanded its offerings and gained 5-star reviews, with customers ordering online, in person, and through delivery services. Kelly Simmons shows how childhood memories plus family recipes plus community love turned a passion for cookies into a beloved Baltimore business. Like, comment, and subscribe for more innovations.